Miniature DIY tool shorts are absolutely blowing up on YouTube right now, and the trend is only getting bigger. Just take a look at this channel called DIY Tools and Equipment. With over 60,000 subscribers and millions of views on their viral shorts, it's clear there's massive demand for this kind of satisfying creative content. These tiny, detailed tools in action grab attention instantly and keep viewers watching until the very end. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, showing you exactly how to create your own viral miniature tools shorts from scratch. So make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Now let's dive in. The first step is to getting image prompts that we'll use to generate our miniature DIY tool images. Start by heading over to the Google Doc link in the video description. You'll find a ready-to-use prompt template there. Copy the prompt, then open your favorite AI text tool. In this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt, then make one simple edit. Enter how many miniature tools you want. Hit enter, and in seconds, the AI will generate a list of miniature DIY tools. Next, it will ask you to select the tools you want for the image prompts. I chose 1, 2, and 3. After hitting enter, the AI gives us detailed image prompts we can use to generate exactly the kind of professional miniature tool images we need. Then, ChatGPT will ask if you want video prompts, which we can use to animate our images into videos. I'll type yes, and the AI will instantly give us detailed video prompts ready to create cinematic, realistic miniature tool animations. Now that we have our image prompt, the next step is to generate our images. For this, we'll use Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI and logging in. Once logged in, click Create with Flow, then click on New Project. This will open the creation interface where we can generate images for free. Before generating, tweak the settings. Make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts. Then select how many outputs you want. I'll select 2. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt we created. Paste the prompt into Flow AI, and at the end of the prompt, input your brand name. This will appear on the tools in the generated images. Click Generate, and in seconds, Flow will produce 2 high-quality miniature DIY tool images. And as you can see, our brand name is visible on the miniature tool. Go through the results and download your preferred image to your device. Now repeat these steps for the rest of your images, and soon you'll have a full set of professional, realistic miniature tool images. The final step is to animate our miniature DIY tool images into video, and for this, we'll use Grok AI. Start by heading over to Grok AI and logging in. Once logged in, click Imagine, and you'll see the creation interface. First, switch to video mode. Then import the first image you want to animate. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Then head back to Grok AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. In seconds, your miniature tool image will be animated. Preview it. You can see how realistic the video is, with natural movement and cinematic detail. Download it straight to your device. Now repeat the same process to animate the rest of your images. Once you've done that, you'll have a full set of ultra-realistic miniature DIY tool videos, ready to go viral on YouTube Shorts. Let's take a look at the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any question in the comment section.